As a direct subsidiary under Hangcha Group, Hangcha Welding Company Limited possesses a digital production line of annual output of 200,000 sets of forklift chassis, as well as leading technology such as loading, machining, forming, and welding, which makes it a large-scale production base for chassis. Owning German imported digital control flame cutting machines, digital control laser cutting machines, Japanese digital control bending machines, automatic chassis welding production line, steering axle, support, automatic production line, supported by AGV material distribution system, digital production management system. The company offers high quality and highly efficient production of forklift chassis, in which the automatic welding machine producing 3-ton chassis independently developed and designed by the company enables automatic machining and welding from parts to finished products. In addition, the company adopts automatic, intelligent, and connected equipment to realize automatic loading, unloading, and welding, which makes sure the performance of the chassis keep leading the world. With craftsmanship, Hangcha Group creates fine welding products. With good quality, Hangcha Group defines Hangcha brand.